Welcome to Diamond Protec's nanodiamond composite coatings. You've selected diamond leather, a protective nanodiamond coating that's specially formulated for leather surfaces. This diamond leather kit includes prep and application supplies that are specially selected to provide the highest quality performance. This does not require professional experience. Once applied, diamond leather will protect leather surfaces by preventing cracking and eliminating the penetration of oil, grease and other pollutants for 1 year. This kit includes diamond body prep with a spray head, diamond leather, our revolutionary nanodiamond coating, an applicator, a microfiber towel and a pair of gloves. Diamond body prep is applied in 3 very simple steps. Shake the bottle well, spray onto the towel, and wipe the surface clean. Diamond leather is applied in 4 easy steps. Drip onto the applicator, apply to the surface of 1 to 2 elements at a time, allow to bond for 1 to 3 minutes, and then polish off the excess. Wait 30 minutes, allowing coating to adhere. The vehicle is now ready for the road and will stay protected for up to 1 year. Mastering the mixing of enriched nanodiamonds for over 7 years, Diamond Protec has created evenly distributed diamond armored elastic coatings with inherent hydrophobic characteristics, offering cars a new revolutionary coating option. It's heat-resistant, UV-resistant, water-repellent, and provides the highest surface hardness and abrasion resistance that technology can offer. It also resists corrosion because it's inorganic, thereby having a slower erosion time than any other competitive product. This is the new generation of car protection, exterior and interior. For full step-by-step instructions on how to apply diamond leather, click the link below.